February 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. That's what happened. We got 15 inches in 1996. In 2 days' time, you can see the car. See all the traffic. And this was 24 hours after it quit snowing. No traffic. We spent most of our time trying to keep the dogs happy. There you can see some of our dogs. They either want to be outside or they want to be inside, whichever is the opposite of what we're doing. So far, this is the only trip we've made in the snow. It's around to the cages. My left and white.
That's what I wanted to be, film.
There's Casey. She's in heat of all times. There's Max, the jealous boy of anything that moves. I'm gonna go look at the creek. I see the cows way down.